Then here there's another short story, but before it, here are some religious perceptions. Means all the religions recognize parents as our God. They are godly figures for us. Like in the Upanishads, it reads, Mother should be like God for you, Father should be like God for you. So basically, mother and father both should be like God for us. Love your father and mother and protect them. That is the means to heaven or mukti or union with God, Buddhism. So basically, if you want salvation or mukti, you need to love your parents and your father and mother. In Quran it reads, do good to your father and mother. Do not protest against them in harsh words. Speak to them with respect. This is what we are generally not doing. We are talking to our parents in harsh words. We are humiliating them whenever possible. So these all things should not be done. Parents are godly figures for us. You won't get if you miss them. Listen to the good advice of the parents. Follow their good behavior. That is the way to grow to maturity. African tribal religion Igbo. So here it's saying that you have to follow the advice of parents because they are more experienced than us. Do not let your parents shed tears on account of you. If you offend them, you will have to suffer its consequences in this world itself. Saint Shavara. So if we are hurting our parents, we have to pay for it in this life itself. The karma will come back to us. Then here we have another story of Suma. So a girl is there, Suma, who is preparing for her exams, annual examinations. Because of the sudden death of the manager of their school, the examination was postponed and it was shifted to the last date. There were other two high schools also in the same village. So for those other two schools, the exam was conducted as it was scheduled, and in those schools it was not postponed. So what happened? Suma got to know that other schools had conducted the paper, and the paper, she tried to get that paper and study from that so that she can score full marks in this exam. She asked her papa to get that paper for her. So papa arranged that paper and gave that question paper to Suma, and giving that he said, if you will study this question paper and even if you will get full marks, I will not be happy. But if you don't see this paper and if you work hard and study all the syllabus without looking or without cheating, doing such sort of cheating, even if you fail, I will be happy. So this way he said. Thereafter, what Suma did, Suma was in dilemma. She told, okay papa, I won't do cheating. And saying this, she returned the question paper to her father. Then on the same day or on the day of exam, when she reached school, she saw that other girls or other of her friends were going through the question paper which she arranged from her father. Other students were forcing her to just go through it, and they were forcing her that your parents are not here, you can cheat, they will not come to know about it. But Suma said no, she will not do this, she will not let down the ideals of her parents. So this was something we are doing till date. Like if we are provided the paper, and even in this studies, in this online studies, there are many students who are doing cheating. Students, it's a humble request from me to you. चीटिंग करोगे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला है. अभी तो तुम मार्क्स स्कोर कर लोगे, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन आफ्टर व्हेन यू रीच सम करियर और व्हाट, इट वॉन्ट हेल्प यू. अभी देख देख के कहीं से कुछ भी लिख दोगे, गूगल कर लोगे या कहीं और देख लोगे, बट योर नॉलेज विल नॉट बी गेन्ड. तुम्हें कोई नॉलेज नहीं मिलेगी. तो इसीलिए इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट द नॉलेज यू नीड टू स्टडी. I think hardly there are 2 or 3% of students who will not do any cheating. I'll share my incidents also. When I was in class 5th, so till class 5th I was doing continuous cheating. Like I too passed my exams through cheating, and so even our teachers, even our teachers helped us in cheating. But in class 5th, when I came to Carmel Public School, I said I will not do any cheating from this date. So that was the time in my class 5th, and this is the time I have completed my higher studies. I have completed my bachelor's degree, master's degree, B.Ed, and so till this date I have not done any type of cheating. And you can see I have achieved what all I have achieved because of my efforts. अगर अपने efforts डालोगे you will surely achieve success. चीटिंग करना छोड़ दो बच्चे लोग.